How to create or remove collection on Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create or remove collection on Yelp. So creating or managing collections on Yelp is a great way to organize your favorite businesses and share recommendations, and here is how to do it. The first step, log in into your Yelp account and then view the business listing you want to add to a collection. All right. For example, in the search box, type out the kind of business that you would like to add to your collections and then select any of the businesses. Okay. And then you wait for the page to load so that you can be taken to the business Yelp page. So once you're on the business Yelp business page, you would see details about the business. Okay, you can see the name of the business, you can see the reviews, you can see what they sell best, and then you can see write a review, add photo, share and save. So the next thing you would do is to click the save icon, and then you'll be asked to save this to a collection. Since you don't have a collection, for me, I don't have a collection, so I'll just click on save to a new collection, and then you have to give the collection a name. In this case, I would give it take out. All right, take out. And then if you want to make it public, you can. If not, you can make it non-public. Click on save, and then just like that, this particular business would be saved to one's collection, and then you can just click on close, and then just like that, the business would be saved to the collection. Okay, another alternative way is by selecting the create new option in the collections tab, and that is by going to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. In the box display, just click on My Collections. All right. And then you'll be redirected to your Collections tab. On this page, you can see the option Create a New Collection here. And then you can see your current collection. So once you can see this, to remove this, you can just click on it. And then you'll be directed to the page where you see details about the collection. And then on this page you can see the option remove collection, so you can just click on it this way and select yes, and then just like that, this particular business listing will be removed from one's collection. And then to add another collection, you can click on create collection and all of that. Just follow these procedures and then you'll be able to create or remove collection on your Yelp account. So this is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.